Hello and welcome to Nancy Said. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to work row 2 of the Brighton Rock Scarf, which is made up of lots of scrap yarns in double knitting and a 4.5mm hook. And I'll be speaking in UK terms. I hope that's okay. We are asked to join our new yarn in to the top of our first treble and chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. So far so good. And then we need to put 3 trebles in the same first stitch. 1, 2 and 3. And that gives us a half increase. Stops poking out the edge, but we've definitely gone up. And as you can see, we go up and down in a zigzag format, so we increase and then decrease. So now we're ready to do a full decrease, which is worked over 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the 3 posts in between. Like this, it's 7 treble together. So yarn over to start your first treble, and you'll go into the first space, draw up a loop and take through 2. Yarn over, this time we'll go into the stitch, draw up a loop and come through 2, then into the space, draw up a loop, come through 2, then the stitch, draw up a loop, come through 2, into the next space, draw up a loop, take off 2, yarn over into the stitch, take off 2, and the next space and take off 2. And we've got 8 loops on the hook now. We'll just check that we have those, which is 7 open trebles and the working loop, which doesn't count. And now we're going to yarn over and come through all 8 loops and chain 1 to secure. So that's our decrease. Of the 7 stitches, they only have 1 top, and that's a decrease. So into the next stitch, we're going to do a full increase, which is 7 trebles, fully finished trebles, all into the same stitch. So yarn over into the top of the next stitch, take off 2 and 2, that's a treble. So we'll do that 6 more times. Yarn over, in and out, take off 2, take off 2. This is number 4, 5, 6 and 7. And what I'd like you to notice is that that increase is directly above the increase from below. So you know you're on the right track. If you start peaking off peak, then you better check and go back, because it's you can't carry on if there's a mistake. So now we're going to decrease over the next 4 boxes again. And I want you to notice that the first space of the box is underneath and slightly behind. So make sure you don't miss that one. Yarn over into the space, draw up a loop and take off 2, then the stitch, then the space, then the stitch, space, stitch and space. And that should give us our 8 loops again. Yarn over and through all 8 and chain 1. And what we notice then is that the decrease is directly over the decrease from before. So we're in line and we're zigging and zagging all the way home. So that's it. You work away to the end of the row, ending on 4 trebles into the last stitch. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to do the surface crochet in the gold thread. So I hope you look forward to that as well. So very best of luck with your scarf. I'm sure it'll be lovely no matter what scraps you use. It's one of those beautiful patterns. So thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.